So have you ever wanted to enhance your Spotify? Well, there's a new feature that's been on Spotify probably for about a year now, but I haven't used it until today, and I thought I'd share it with you guys and tell you all about it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to basically use the new enhance feature, and we're going to look at how it can improve our playlist. So all you want to do is, I'm going to do this on my liked songs playlist. So you open up your Spotify app, you go to your library on the bottom, and I'm going into this playlist here. And we're going to see at the top, we can see all the songs that I've liked and that. I'm going to click enhance just under the song count number at the top. It's going to take a few seconds to do its thing. And as you can see now, it's actually added all these other songs, and you can see that by this green little logo. If we look at the Rap Snitches, the Rap Snitch song, there you can see that little green enhanced logo. And as we scroll down, we can see that it's added songs that I've either searched for, like I've recently been listening to some MF Doom, so it's added that. It's added some Japanese music in there, it's added some other bands in there, some Blink-182 that I'm a fan of, but I don't actually like this particular song. So in theory, this is music that you should like based on your history and obviously what you listen to on Spotify, because they record all that data. And to be honest with you, looking at it up to now, it seems pretty good, and I highly recommend you try it, because at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you can always just scroll up to the top and click the enhanced button again, and it'll just resort it back to normal. That's everything, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Let me know if you like the feature.